It's Tony, Pre-Owned Motor Cars, sending this video over to you. Looks like we have a nice Jeep that's available here. It is 2021 Jeep Compass. This is four-wheel drive. Here it is. Jeep Compass, this is four-wheel drive. We're going to be putting a couple of tires on this one. It is a limited, so it's leather inside. 81,000 miles. Four-wheel drive. That is the large touchscreen. Air conditioning controls. Now, the cool thing about these Jeeps, there's a lot of things you can do on the screen. Also, we handle the first-year registration for you. It's got a full tank of fuel. It has a nice back seat. Seats 5 on this one. Large cargo area. Capless on the gas filler. Few little chips, but nothing major. 4-cylinder gas Jeep, runs very well. So come on in, let's take it for a drive.